Hey, what's guys? My name is Jir and welcome to Tech Talks.
Fighting flames of fire, hang on to burning wires. We don't care anymore. Are we fading lovers?
So alright guys, so what I got here is the NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti by Inno3D. This is the Twin X version. It means, yes, double fans. And guys, don't tell me that I buy previously owned graphics card because the steel is already broken. No, I have to test this graphics card on the store. So yeah, just to make sure it's not a broken graphics card. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Okay guys, so just want to tell you that I haven't installed the driver on my PC, and also this thing never plugged into my PC yet. So yeah. Alright guys. Okay, yep. I just upgraded my PC. Corsair Vengeance Black 16GB Inno3D, and it's not a upgrade. It's some additional. Yep. We got to open this. What's this? Oh, it's the DVD driver installation kit. Yep. And now the GPU itself. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, look at that, yo. Wow, Inno3D GTX 1050 Ti. Yep. I think let's just keep this and this. Yeah, I wouldn't peel it out. Hey guys, so this GTX 1050 Ti don't need additional power from your power supply. Yep, so you just need to plug it into your motherboard, and yep, you can start the game. So alright guys, so now I think I just need to plug this baby into my motherboard, but I think I don't need to peel this thing off, okay, because I worry it will be scratched. Okay guys, so for full specifications of this graphics card, I'm going to put it down on the description below. And I bought this graphics card for $200. Yeah, it's unusual, a bit expensive for USA. Alright, let's open this baby on and install the driver. Alright guys, so I've already installed the driver and I've already tested for 3 days, and it is pretty awesome, better than GTX 960 4GB. So yeah, why I changed to 1050 Ti, because my GTX 960, it burned. I don't know why. It's not burned, but when I play point blank, it just automatically shuts down, and then when I touch the graphics card, it is really hot. Maybe it's hot, and then I'll try to wait like 24 hours and I'll play it again. Yep. Now let's talk about this 1050 Ti. Okay guys, so disclaimer, this 1050 Ti doesn't support VR and SLI. I don't know why. Maybe for Nvidia afraid if they make this 1050 Ti support SLI, maybe this thing can beat the 1070. Yeah, I think this thing can beat the 1070 if it supports SLI. I think the 1070 will die. And people think, oh, I think I'm better to choose 1050 Ti SLI. Yeah. So now let's talk about why this thing doesn't support VR. Maybe Nvidia thinks 2016 there is a lot of gamers that lost the VR and they want to try the VR. So I think Nvidia makes the budget gamer can't play VR, so budget gamer should saves money and then get the 1060 or 1070. Yeah, 1060 supports VR, right? Yeah, I think 1070 and 1060 supports VR. 1070 should, I'm 100% sure. Alright, it is empty. So yeah, the graphics are already plugged into this PC. I've already tested it 3 games. Like GTA 5, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, max settings. I think that's just what I talked here. Let's go ahead and go through the benchmarks. Alright, so that's this graphics card work. This graphics card is pretty amazing. It's really powerful, and I'm really satisfied about this graphics card. Yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for this video.